back, everyone. We love to watch the amazing fireworks on the 4th of July, and Maria has a DIY that will make any Independence Day table a real blast. Won't you, Maria?
Blast, yes! All these firecrackers will just make your night. So you can see how adorable these are. They make great table decor, but Cameron, these do double duty. This DIY is creating your ambiance for the night because not only are they cute decorations, but they actually have light coming out the top. We're going to show you how to do it. And this sort of replaces when you're outside watching the fireworks and if you have some candles lit or some lanterns on or anything like that. This is replacing that, but in a really beautiful way.
Absolutely. It takes it to a whole other level, I'm telling you right now. Now, I was also very impressed. The base of these fireworks, the base of these firecrackers, very unique.
Yes, so I was trying to figure out basically the least expensive way to get this done, and that is just a chip container.
I mean, what a good idea.
So my kids love eating chips, and so we have these around the house, so it's a really easy thing just to create as the base of this, but truthfully, if you're...
For kids like chips.
You know I'm a cookie girl. I'm sweet, not savory.
Okay.
And so the base of this, like I said, is this. It could be, like if you play tennis and you get the tennis balls, they come in a similar container.
Oh, great.
So something like that is just great.
Perfect.
So you have some options when you come to the decorating part of it.
Okay.
So you can see over here I have some that are the sparkly foam sheets.
Yeah.
And those are a great option as well. You could just use scrapbook paper. The one that says boom is just scrapbook paper. And or you can just do plain foam sheets. The plain foam sheets is what I have right here.
Okay, good.
So I have my chip container. And for this specific one, I want to keep the lid on for this part of it. And the reason I will show you, because it's actually something we utilize. So I kind of push it against the foam sheet just so I make sure that it's not going to cover the lid.
Right, so the lid's on, but it's also not covered by the by the decorations.
Correct,
okay.
Correct. And then I just use my hot glue.
And you got hot glue. Could you use a different type of glue? I was thinking maybe some glue stick you got lying around the house. Would that do it?
I would not use a glue stick for this specifically because I don't feel like it would be strong enough. But what I would use if I was using the paper, just plain paper, I would use a spray adhesive because it's just, I love spray adhesive. It's the easiest way to, especially if you're adding paper onto just about anything.
Great.
So we have our container here, and it's all beautiful like this. And
okay,
then
so we've got the base of our decorations, and now we got to put on the little details, right? What do you got?
Yeah, this is where you can have tons of creative freedom. You can do the little pom-poms, you can do the stars, you can do so many different things. So, Cameron, I have some red stars here for you, and I created my own stickers.
I see that.
Yeah, so this is label paper. So the full thing is the label, and what you do is you take the punch, and you actually just do this and punch it out. Oh, push it all the way in. Sorry, push it all the way in. There we go. And then you have your star. And what's cool about that is you just peel them like you have there, and you have your own sticker that you can just pop on. And this is where you could write have the letters that say boom or USA or anything like that. And you are all set to go. And that's how easy it is to make these.
Once I get started, I just can't stop, everybody, but I have to because we got to make the holes on top for the sparklers, for the light to come out and everything else. What do you recommend for that?
Okay, so for this specifically, Cameron, I have mine done, so I'm going to let you do this on yours.
Okay, great.
So I have a hammer and a nail.
Sure.
So what I did, you go right in the center.
You want me to do the middle one?
Yes, please. Go right in the center. And you take it out. And so what I found is best for this because I have the things coming out of the top as a decoration.
Okay, can you get
I took an X-Acto knife. Yeah, you can see that the hole's just right there. I took an X-Acto knife, and what I do is I actually kind of make a little bit of an X. And truthfully, this is one that you want to be very careful doing this part because it is metal. But you want to push the ends down so it's not so difficult and not so sharp. But you do want the hole to be bigger, and that's the only way I found for it to be big enough because we are going to be putting these guys in like that.
And you found a faster way to go about it, too. You have another tool, which is an awl, which typically is used on leather and things like that, right?
Yes, so for the awl, or for this part, so you can see in mine, I'm going to show you the difference. I have all these little dots, and those are where the light's going to come out. So it looks a little aggressive.
It's a little bit more aggressive.
A little bit more aggressive.
But very satisfying.
It's so much fun. And so obviously this is one for the adults. Not for the kids, but that's all that it takes. So after that, Cameron, I'll give you a couple of these so you can put them in there.
Very good.
And I have mine that I will use this little.
And we're getting close. So we put these in. We put the sort of the fancy decorations, the sparkly things. What do we call them?
You do this, yeah. These. I think you were pretty
sparkly things.
The sparkly things
before the light goes in.
Yes. I recommend doing it this way, and I'll show you why. So what you want to do is kind of tilt it over, take the lid off, and this is why the lid comes in handy, okay? So kind of make sure that the things on the inside are pushed to the side, and Cameron, grab your flashlight, make sure to turn it on, and this allows you to take the flashlight on and turn it on and off so it doesn't have to be on. Do this, and when you bring it back up, you kind of adjust these a little bit, and you can fluff them out. And that way you have the light. The light also shines up on these and gives it lots of great detail as well. And then you're just done and you have your firecrackers.
As good as they look right now, they're going to look even better at night. Let's take a look with the lights off. The night shot, there it is.
Oh,
well
so
done,
fun.
Maria.
So pretty.
Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
Almost. Almost. It's coming quick. Very well done. Make sure you go to hallmarkchannel.com. Full instructions will be right there.
Later on Home and Family, our breakfast gets a Creole kick.
I would love to start every day with this.
And what you need to know to keep your pets safe during your 4th of July celebration.